Today I'm changing the cabin air filter on a 2023 Kia Soul. Here's your filter number. I grabbed this off of Amazon. I'll have a link there. If you want, you can go on there and grab one there, and there's several others. But all you're going to need really is the filter, a pair of pliers, and maybe a flashlight if needed. But it's going to be here in your glove compartment. Just open that up. On the right side here, you can see you have a clip. This clip here, let's get it to focus. There we go. You just squeeze it and then pull the arm out, which might be a bit difficult here because of the one-handed thing. Hold on a sec. There we go. I just squeezed it and pulled and it pops right off. So once you get that off, you have this latch here. You're gonna push in, and you have one on the other side. So if you push in, pull down a little, hold a little pressure, go to the opposite side, do the same thing, and it drops down. Now, you can see, get some light in there. That's the door. Right there, there's a little latch right here. So you just reach in, squeeze it, pull back, and there you go. There's your air filter. And as you can see, 20,000 miles, it picks up all the crap. Here is that's the Kia part number. We're using a Fram, which this is a pretty inexpensive one. I believe I picked it up for $10. There you go, you got your arrows pointing with your airflow. Here they are next to each other. And you're just going to slide it right in. Take your cover. Just got a area here that you gotta slide her into. Bring her forward. Press it. It's all locked in. And you got reverse. Slide that one up. Same with this one. Bring your latch down. That's it. All done.